How to insert video in your PowerPoint presentation. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show the best way. So you can insert the online video like YouTube videos by link, and you can also insert your own recorded video in PowerPoint slide. So let's start with the video, guys. And before we start, if at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my PowerPoint I have already opened, and I have one slide here. Okay, so what we need to do, first select the slide. So I just make it blank, so show you proper. Okay, so just select the first slide where you want to insert. You insert the videos. Now go to the insert tab here, and you can see the option called video here. Okay, in media section. If you don't find the media section here, go right click on the blank space, go to the customize the ribbons, and here under the customize ribbons you can see you need to search the media option here. Okay, once you find the media option like this, you can see under the media option we have video, audio, and other option. Just select it and just add here. I have already added, so it's not add option not showing to me. You need to just add, just select the media and just click the add, then click the OK. Okay, so now just select the slide as first, go to the video, click on this down arrow and go to the, we have two options here. We can insert our own video. If you have recorded video, you can select the select from your device computer. Okay, how to select I will show you. Just click on this option, then this your folder will be open. Now you need to just select the location where you have video. So just select the location, select the where you have videos. Actually I don't have video in my device, so okay, just select the videos and click the insert. It will be insert. Okay, for your recorded video. And if you want to insert from YouTube directly, go to the video again, go to the online videos, and here you need to insert that video file. Okay, how to insert, just go to the YouTube, search for that video, copy. You need to copy this link and paste here. Then this the particular video will be visible here. Now you need to insert. Now this video will be inserted in full. You can minimize the size like this. You need to just click on this corner dot, hold it, and just resize your videos thumbnails, and you can simply drag your videos view or images from to any place. Okay, and if you click on this, it will be play on the PowerPoint only, in the PowerPoint only. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.